Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Steve Watson. This is today's Tàijíquán Tip. Thank you. Today's tip is to use moving air as your partner in your practice. Here I am doing it in my form practice. And I do this in nature quite often, but it's nice to do it with regular air, such as is coming out from the heater that I'm working with. And I'm kind of playing with going through my form, and then when I feel the air find me, I receive it and I let it move me. Other times I might play with receiving the air, yielding to it, neutralizing it, and maybe pushing against it as I am here. And so having the kind of regular air, I can kind of feel it when it turns on or off, or when I step into its path or not. And it's a little bit easier to work on than with natural gusts of air. But it makes for quite an enjoyable time. So enjoy this. Remember, sometimes your teacher is just full of hot air. So be the breath of fresh air for the art. Here are all the ways you can help besides online reviews and subscriptions. Thank you, thank you, thank you.